Hello everyone! In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to my favorite dish, oyakodon, which you must try when traveling in Japan. Let's get started. First, let me explain what a standard oyakodon is. Oyakodon is a dish where chicken thigh meat and onions are simmered in a sauce made of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar, and then eggs are poured over and cooked together until set. The cooked mixture is then placed on top of a bowl of Japanese white rice to complete the dish. It's very simple and easy to make, but it's a uniquely Japanese flavor loved by people of all ages. The taste is characterized by the combination of sweetness and saltiness in the sauce, with very tender chicken and the gentle flavor of the eggs enveloping it. And above all, it pairs perfectly with Japanese rice, making it a satisfying meal on its own. When you put the chicken and egg mixture on top into your mouth along with the rice, the juicy flavor of the chicken blends with the rice, bringing you a delightful experience. If you're not used to eating with chopsticks, you can ask the staff for a spoon without hesitation, and they'll likely be happy to provide one. Now, let's talk about the unique origin of its name. The oya in oyakodon means parent, and ko means child. In other words, the chicken represents the parent, and the egg represents the child. This means that both parent and child are present in the bowl. It's a sort of Japanese joke. However, recommending where to eat oyakodon can be a bit tricky. While it's great if you can find it on the menu at a Japanese restaurant, not all restaurants offer it. Many Japanese people often make and eat it at home. But there's a good chance you'll find it at convenience stores, which are a traveler's best friend in Japan. It's likely sold in the bento section of convenience stores, so take your time to look for it. One thing to note is that if you buy it from a convenience store, you'll need to heat it in a microwave before eating. Many convenience stores offer microwave services for free, or you can use the microwave service at your hotel. Today, I introduced my favorite dish, oyakodon. I hope you add it to your list of experiences for your trip to Japan. I'll continue to share tips for enjoying Japan, so please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.